In the construction industry, time is money. Every second spent on manual takeoffs and complex estimating spreadsheets results in lost time, bids, and revenue. That's where the strategic partnership between Acumatica and Stack comes in. Enjoy a more profitable and seamless pre-construction process. Measure plans digitally, collaborate, and finalize project estimates. Extend Acumatica with a seamless pre-construction application, delivering a complete bid-to-closeout system on a single business platform. Here's a look at how data flows between Acumatica and Stack. Send projects and opportunities to Stack. Send quantities back to a sales order, and when the estimate is created, it will be automatically converted into an Acumatica project quote. The bidding process begins right on the project page. Whether it's a newly created project in Acumatica or an existing opportunity, Stack pulls in the data to create the bid. Customize the bid details to suit your organization's needs, or use predefined fields. Set due dates, assign people to the project, and choose from a standard project library or create your own that includes the assemblies you want. There are many ways to upload plans to the bid. The system supports file sharing platforms like Google Drive and Dropbox, or you can upload them directly from your computer. Once you upload the plans, Stack's OCR capabilities do the heavy lifting. Instantly break down the drawings with automated hyperlinks to individual pages for quick access, eliminating the time-consuming task of manually naming files and pages. Use the search functionality to find specific words within the plans quickly. Enter the assembly details, and the system will automatically assign the corresponding costs. Now, it's time to begin the takeoff. With the Assist feature, you can select the items you need, while AI scans the plans to determine the required quantities. Here is the slab takeoff we completed, showing the correct materials and quantities in a neatly organized worksheet. You can view this information in multiple formats to customize the estimate as needed. You can also choose from several ways to build markups into the bid to ensure profitability. Export the bid directly into Acumatica as a project quote or sales order. In this case, we're working with a different bid and selecting a project quote to push into Acumatica. Inside Acumatica, the quote or sales order is broken out by labor and material costs. Data such as cost codes and inventory IDs automatically populate into the quote, and the project tasks show up here, just the way you identified them on the Stack side. With Acumatica and Stack, pre-construction has never been easier. Reduce errors, save time, and streamline workflows to ensure the bids you win are profitable and successful. Contact us today to schedule your personalized demonstration.